Identify the correct statement on inhibin. Inhibin is a hormone produced primarily by the granulosa cells of the ovary in females and by the Sertoli cells in the testes in males. And its main function is to inhibit the secretion of follicular stimulating hormone, that is FSH, playing an essential role in the regulation of menstrual cycle and spermatogenesis. Now, coming to the options here, option A, inhibin inhibits the secretion of LH, FSH and prolactin. This statement is incorrect. Inhibin mainly inhibits FSH, not LH or prolactin. So the first option is incorrect. Option B, it is produced by the granulose cells in ovary and inhibits the secretion of FSH. This is true statement. So option B is the correct answer. Option C, it is produced by the granulosa cells in ovary and inhibits the secretion of LH. This is absolutely incorrect. They inhibits the secretion of FSH. Option D, it is produced by the nerve cells in testes and inhibits the secretion of LH. This is an incorrect statement because inhibin is produced by the Sertoli cells in testes and it inhibits FSH, not LH. So option D is also incorrect. The correct statement is option B.